By now, I'm sure you've all heard of the amazing new AirHawk automatic handheld tire inflator. Convenient, fill up anywhere. Powerful, works in seconds, lightweight, handheld, and convenient. But why take the advertiser's word for it? Why not take the word of the Voiceover Guy? Because I'm going to take the AirHawk home and try it myself. The wife's away, and I've got way too much time on my hands. So let's go! First up, just what comes in the box with AirHawk. You get this convenient carrying case, including a 6-inch air hose, 2 pin attachments, and a 12-volt car adapter. Not to mention the durable heavy-duty construction of AirHawk. Check out the amazing features of AirHawk. Threaded tip for airtight seal on the flexible hose, super bright LED light, digital pressure gauge, locking trigger, durable heavy-duty construction, ergonomic grip for comfort, multi-purpose pin attachments, powerful snap-and-go 12-volt car adapter. But don't just take my word for it, let's see AirHawk in action. Here I am plugging it into my 12-volt car adapter. Now let's see AirHawk take on this bicycle tire. AirHawk doesn't crumble under the pressure, handling up to 125 psi. Simply hook up the 6-inch air hose to the tire. Use the convenient digital gauge to check the tire pressure. Set the desired psi, and you're off and running. And AirHawk is away. Funny thing, the neighbor's dog barked the entire time I was recording this. That dog really is an asshole. It's as easy as that with AirHawk. These bicycle tires are no match for AirHawk. With those bicycle tires pumped, you're ready to ride. But can AirHawk take on a car tire? Let's see. Simply hook it up and select the desired PSI. Don't forget to check the tire pressure before you start with the convenient digital pressure gauge. And here we go, AirHawk is off and running. I could be out playing golf, but instead I'm home with AirHawk. With AirHawk, those car tires are ready to roll. No need to stop at the gas station now. AirHawk is your one-stop shop for cars, SUVs, RV tires, sports equipment, inflatable toys, bike tires, and much more. And now you don't have to take the ad's word for it. You can take mine, because I've tried it at home. AirHawk flies circles around the rest. AirHawk gets my seal of approval. And when the wife gets home, we're going to go get Chinese food.